Hello everybody, this is Sanjay and you are watching Vision Sanjay. So today we will be unboxing the Fastway rotating flip case for Honor Pad 5 10.1 inch model. So let's get started. First we'll be opening this cover. I have already opened this cover. By the way, I have ordered this product from Amazon. So this is the box and here is the MRP $7.99, but I bought this for $7.49, which is available in Amazon. I'll be providing you the link in the description. So as soon as we open the box, we have the bill and also the case. So let us open this. Okay, so here we have this Fastway rotating flip case for Honor Pad 5. So this is open like this, and here we have, okay, so the tab goes here. We will remove this. So the build quality is quite good. I say it's perfect for the price, so it is best value for money product, I feel. And so this is how the rotating thing works. This way you can keep, and the rotating thing works like this. So now let me insert the tab in this case. So here we have these stretchable holdings, so you can stretch them like this, and you can insert your product like this. So here is your case ready to use. Also there is an elastic, so here using which you can close it like this, so that it becomes like a book, a covered book. Moreover, there is no camera cutout for this product, so the camera lies below this case, which is unfortunate and bad. Coming to the review, this flip case is the best for Honor Pad 5, and the tab fits perfectly into the case. I agree that there is no camera cutout and the packaging wasn't up to the mark, but still it's the only case which works best for the Honor Pad 5 at this price, and I would give 7 out of 10 as the overall review score. Comment below what is your opinion about this product, and stay tuned for the next video, and
thank you!